live in the Windy City. Now, my little lady, you better take care of your man. I mean, you better take good care of your man. Because that'll change his life. They will clean up the legal.
Let all the lovely girls leave behind. The reason I know so much about her is because she picked up a man of mine. Jumping slick was my own. Well, I found out all I was doing was making it easy for the clean-up woman. Making it easy for the clean-up woman. Let my baby love come.
Don't wait till it's too late.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
The door is open. But, that fucking animal's up there, okay? Wait, listen. I'm gonna take care of it. Okay, listen to me. I'm gonna take care of it. Alright? I'm gonna take care of it. I love you. Playtime.
You're not 2,000 grand sprawling God. 30 feet. Overnight low, 0 in the city. Today's high, almost Saturday, February 5 at the Climactic State of the in Chicago. More information call 493-194.
Just go.
Please, I can't leave you. I can't go.
I love
You may even have driven it. You've waited for it. Now you can have it. Mr. Norm Supercar. Goes on your right. Demon GSS. Here at Grand Spalding. The green car is the now car. Every supercharger with the distributor curve. Power tools, idle time, and scope ready to go. Move over the price. Want power, precision, and performance plus price. You come and get it. Your supercharger Demon GSS is waiting at Grand Spalding Dodge, the performance car center of the world. 3300 Grand Avenue. It's at the Museum of Science and Industry. For information, call MU 41414.
If I was a flower growing wild and free, all I'd want is you to be my sweet honeybee. And if I was a tree growing tall and green, all I'd want is you to shade me and be my leaves. If I was a flower growing wild and free, all I'd want is you to be my sweet honeybee. And if I was a tree growing tall and green, all I'd want is you to shade me and be my leaves. All I want is you, will you be my bride? Take me by the hand and stand by my side. All I want is you, will you stay with me? Hold me in your arms and sway me like the sea.